Recent arrival. Clean Carfax. 2018 Lincoln MKC Premiere Silver 4D Sport Utility FWD 2.0 liters turbocharged 6-speed automatic Bluetooth, hands-free phone, service records available, fully detailed. We have all of your financing needs covered. Ask us how to get pre-approved today. 10 speakers, 18 painted aluminum wheels, 3.36 axle ratio, 4-wheel disc brakes, ABS brakes, air conditioning, alloy wheels, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Uplink/Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, auto-dimming rear view mirror, automatic temperature control, brake assist, bumpers, body color, CD player, compass, delay off headlights, driver door bin, driver vanity mirror, dual front impact airbags, dual front side impact airbags, electronic stability control, emergency communication system, Sync 3911 assist, exterior parking camera rear, 4-wheel independent suspension, front anti-roll bar, front bucket seats, front center armrest, front dual zone AC, front reading lights, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, heated front seats, heated soft touch bucket seats, high-intensity discharge headlights, illuminated entry, knee airbag, low tire pressure warning, memory seat, occupant sensing airbag, outside temperature display, overhead airbag, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger door bin, passenger vanity mirror, power door mirrors, power driver seat, power liftgate, power passenger seat, power steering, power windows, radio data system, radio, audio system with CD/MP3, rear anti-roll bar, rear parking sensors, rear reading lights, rear seat center armrest, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, remote keyless entry, roof rack, rails only, security system, Sirius XM satellite radio, speed control, speed sensing steering, speed sensitive wipers, split folding rear seat, spoiler, steering wheel mounted audio controls, Sync 3 communications and entertainment system, tachometer, telescoping steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, traction control, trip computer, variably intermittent wipers. Awards, Jada Power Initial Quality Study, IQS Mountain View at 153 prides itself on value pricing and exceeding all customer expectations. We are conveniently located at 6061 International Drive, Chattanooga, Tennessee 37421, and we're always going to be the low price leader. It's easier this way. If you're searching for the best vehicle value, welcome home. Our inventory sells on average in less than 3 weeks from the time it moves through our reconditioning department. If you see something you like, don't delay. Contact us for a test drive appointment today, and don't miss out on your next dream ride. 423-763-0369 option number 1.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.